fall into you.
Hello everyone, today I will be making mostly everybody's favorite, that are brownies. So I've made some recipes for cakes. Today I will be making brownies. The only difference when you deal with brownies is that in my recipe the only different ingredient that I use is cocoa powder. So let's begin. I have taken half a cup of melted butter in here. Make sure it is not too hot. So this is like a melted butter at room temperature. Then I will be adding 1 cup white sugar, and we'll be continuously beating it. And then and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're too conscious about the flavor of vanilla, you can go for like better version of vanilla. I just use the store-bought vanilla extract. People really say it makes a lot of difference when it comes to the smell and the flavor, but yeah, it's fine. One by third cup cocoa powder. Okay, we'll also add flour into this. Half cup all-purpose flour. 1 by 4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, we'll just mix it well. The mixture, the batter is ready. It's preferred that we take a 8 by 8 inch tin pan. I'm using a glass pan here. I'm going to coat it with butter. Use generous amounts of butter while coating the pan. Now I will add some all-purpose flour to this and dust it off. Okay, so we will remove the excess flour from here. And one instruction is, before I started doing this preparation, I put my oven on a preheat at 175 degrees centigrade. So in Fahrenheit it will be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So my oven is under preheat, and now I will fill my mixture in this pan. My oven is preheated. Now I will tuck in the baking dish into the oven for 25 minutes. Till then, let's make the frosting. Begin with the frosting now. We'll need 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. I'll add a teaspoon of oil. Our frosting is finally ready. Now we'll wait for the brownie to be done. And then whenever the brownie is warm, we are going to apply this frosting on top of the brownie. The brownie is out of the oven. Now I've just flipped it, and then I've started frosting, applying the frosting to this brownie. So guys, after so much hard work, I'm finally done. Please ignore all the utensils that I've utilized to get this cake into the shape. But then trust me, like, the taste of this cake is something that you really want to try. So please do try this recipe. I will cut this cake and dish it out for you to show you how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, please do comment, like and share it. Thank you.